Hello, everyone. I hope that everyone's feeling grateful today and actually taking the time to express some gratitude simply for the fact that we can just watch this video, to be here with this technology, and to really be able to have the access to advance our minds and become the best people that we possibly can. Right, so I'm going to jump into the video. This video is going to be on structure. I went over a video on structure previously, but I didn't cover it in depth, or I didn't go on the charts or anything. So I'm just going to jump into it right now. I'm on Dow Jones, however you say it, US 30, which is simply, for those of you that don't know, is a top 30 performing stocks from the US economy, right? And as I've mentioned before in a previous video, the higher time frames always trump the lower time frames. The higher time frames, they build the narrative. They really tell you what's going on. So you want to look at the higher time frames. So here we can clearly see, I don't know if this is just not loading, but there would have been a low, created a high. I'm going to draw it out for you. A low, created a high, created a higher low, then created a higher high. So we're expecting a pullback. I've marked this zone out. I'm not going to go into that, but I've marked this zone out, or this zone, and then we're looking for a higher high to be created. Simple as that. So that's on a higher time frame. And then we jump down to the daily. You can see that we was very bullish here. We got low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then we actually take this low out, the low that put in the most recent high. We take this out. So what is that telling me? It's telling me that we've actually shifted bearish now. And then I marked out this zone. Price taps in, it respects, and then it creates a lower low, and we get a breaker structure here. So now we confirm bearish on the higher time frame. Higher time frame breaker structure down. So now we confirm bearish. So this is telling me that this was weak, it got taken out, and then this is strong. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting the strong high to be respected and the weak low to be taken out, simply because it's weak. So I marked that my zone, price tapped in, respected, and then it takes out this low. So now on the daily time frame, I'm looking for a pullback up into here to then go and follow the trend that's happening. We were bullish, created this high, then took out this low, switched bearish, strong high, weak low, taken out. Strong high, weak low, taken out. And then we're expecting strong high, weak low, all the way down to the demand zone. The demand zone might not hold, but this one might. And then if it gets broken, then we can see that we've shifted bearish on the higher time frames. So yeah, that's pretty much structure and like the higher time frames. But then if you notice, and I drop down to the 4 hour now, so we're dropping down time frames, we'll come to lower time frames now. You can see that we get all this internal structure, but it's important not to get messed up, like muddled up in all this here, because like I said, the higher time frame really tells you what's going on. Like, mark out your structure points, and then you'll be able to start getting a better understanding. And that's pretty much it. I won't go too tough into it. I'll just leave it at that. And if anyone's got any questions, or any videos that they want to be made, or anything they need clarifying, whatever, just be sure to let me or Chapo know in the Discord community. As always, we're always active, and be sure to share it with a couple of people. Like, just spread the knowledge in it. Like, you may as well get out there. Like, we just want to impact people's lives, want to make people's lives better. That's literally all we want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.